Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News. So, in the last video, we post our Lisa hype snake Vybz Kartel over jealousy and publicly diss him. Well, Sheba, one of Cartel loyal soldiers, came out in his defense and subliminally diss Lisa hype, calling her wolf in sheep clothing, where jealousy and bad mind dig out her heart and soul. Have a watch.
So right now I reach a stage in life where me rather put my trust in a snake. Because at least with a snake, you're sure, so you know, so them conniving and them sneaking, them envious, them devious, them deceitful, you know everything about them, because at the end of the day, you can't trust a snake to be what it is, and that's a snake. You know who me cannot trust? The wolf, them will come disguised as sheep. Yeah man, the one them will come make you look like say them all for you and them rate you that time, jealousy, bad man and envy, and dig out them heart, soul and body all for you. And you did there trust them, I feel like say, yeah man, them got my back, them have my back and this and that, them a look out for me, and all the time them a plot your downfall. Them a plot for fight you, them a plot everything that's bad against you and come a smile in your face like say, yeah man, me you good like that. Dirty ass wolf them in a disguise of a sheep. Them there way me not trust. Me rather parent put my chances in a snake, cause them a go be what them is at the end of the day, a snake, than for find out say somebody where me think they got my back or somebody where me they trust is a wolf in a sheep clothing. Them something me no want around me. I pray them off and I rebuke them in the name of Jesus. And made them left my life because I fight them a fight. Blessing now go stop flow upon me, and that's what them not understand. You can't touch God's anointed. You can't touch somebody with clean heart. Yeah. I might have dirty attitude, but my heart is very clean. And that they not understand, so I can always make me survive and out past them. That is it right there, so.
Up next, we have Desha Ravers slamming her father, Beenie Man, for not taking care of his kids. She said Beenie a worry about who is king when he should be worried about taking care of him kids, whether they're of age or not. Desha say, yo, Beenie Man a fight and a broke him neck for be king of dancehall and not king of father. She also went on to say, yo, Beenie Man making wife control him completely, 100%. And they seem as if Beenie Man don't have a mind of his own. I'm gonna make you watch the video, then they can tell me what you think. And remember to like and subscribe.
Crystal go Yui, my brother will live America. Then we hear say Camille road manager. Come to Messiah. Come to Crystal. Come to Ikira. Makadin just turned 18 one day, so you know, come to them. Come to your picnic them. I don't want be no road manager. And then now, yeah, worry about being king. Yeah, worry about the next man will actually take care and mute them. Yeah, worry about, and no matter how old them want to be, he might take care and mute them. Yeah, worry about a man will take care of everybody around him. That's your worry about. You know where you go to, you go buy a Maserati. To prove what? To prove that you're the king? You need to be king of your kids then. If you fight for be king father. If you fight for be king of father. Oh yeah, fight for be king. And you not fight for be king in your family. I don't understand it none at all. I don't get it. You see me? Yeah, fight for be king of dancehall. Yes, you will always be the king of dancehall. But guess what? Yeah, fight for the wrong thing then, bro. Everything what you do in your life, you give your woman control over it. Every move where you make, your woman control it. If your woman say jump, you say, oh, I can remember say, tell me say for do that, and she say, no, when we come back, you change your mouth and say, that you tell me. So, oh, you fight for being king of that, you not fight for be a good father. I don't want to do anything for me nothing from me at 13 no. From me at 14 me I tell you that. I go as far as tell you say if you have a will and if you don't have one, take me a fight. And if me not depend it, like, and me should even have said that neither because guess what, you are my father, you're supposed to do it. But guess what, me not gonna go down the road there with you for say, oh, come here big man. Me I take care of myself, I'm quite alright. My friend them can tell you, I'm good. My family them, rest of family them, I'm good. I'm good. But my cup overflowing now. Like, you don't even understand. Bro, you don't even understand, brother. Yeah, fight for be king. That you fight final. I'm sure you, I never yet do this in a life. Never. But we say, you know, me make some look sly comments and really. But I always show you love and I always show you respect and make the world feel like say that you are the greatest. And you are not. I make the world feel like say yo, you do everything. Yo.